MeghalayaPost.news
Wailadmiki Shylla Menteri Ketenaga Kerja Hakajala Habakran Skilat Patai Kubur Mentai Janmien Ulaong Baka Sorkar Lembaga Ketenaga Kerja Kelarai ban Pynkhlain bat Byrnihat biang ya Jingsumar hagi jaka Sumar Byrnihat riboing kabalong ru katkum kajing betha da kayeng bishar Meghalaya Haikun Shushu uba Wailan Ulaong Baka Meghalaya Haikun kala betha ban pha Ïaka kenhun ban lejurib ya Jingsumar hagaliang Kerja Byrnihat bar ketenad ru kladon lang hagajing jurim ulayatu bakatkum kaiphon bakatenad kadon menta company ya kejinglong kabakongsan hadu kata-kata kumbalapan pau henry loong bawatla kidon katu kani henry kimdei pat kiba hadu kata-kata wala kata loong ru bakatenan kanto kit benia ban sngutu ya kejingnya pher hapadeng kidata hadien kejing jurim ka high court kalaptha ekatenan kerja ban penbiang ya kejingdon kam bakongsan kentup ya ke x-ray machine u technician bar specialist nakabenta kejingpang syadam chest specialist.
The direction from the Honorable High Court, and they have directed that a team, they have set a team, and then they have sent our people also from the health department, and then to check about our health facilities in the Byrnihat area, and they have done that, and then right now I don't know like how that data they have got it. But according to our data present with the health facilities, it's not up to that number. No doubt there are some cases, but not up to that level. So after the inspection, so they have given some direction to the health department, especially to have this X-ray and this technician and also the specialist, chest specialist, and also, and we are we are abiding by that, and then we are trying to we have directed from the health department also that all the requirement to be done as soon as possible. Right now, because we have not got any conclusive evidence, because like I said, because all this time we have our health facilities over there, we have our in Byrnihat we have this CFC over there where we are planning to upgrade. So there from the because all this time we used to receive the data, but the data was not alarming as such, which the Honorable High Court is mentioning. So definitely we gonna verify it this along with it. So that's why, and at the same time, like I already mentioned, that they have directed us that after the inspection that we need to set up certain things over there, so which we gonna do that, we have directed already, and then we have to see now. I think we have to, from the health department, we have to check that from where the Honorable High Court has got this data. So definitely we're gonna work on that, and then we'll try to verify and come up with a report.
MeghalayaPost.news